Good afternoon, everybody. Techout here, and today we're going to be doing a real quick unboxing of the iPhone 13, and this is in the product red here, as you guys can see. I'm not going to be setting it up or anything in this video because I do have to restore my stuff, and I have to put the beta on it to do that. So I'm not going to set it up initially, but here we have the new packaging with the pull tabs. No plastic around the box this year. So we just peel those off. And I do like the color red we have this year over what we had on the 12s last year. It's a lot deeper and less pinkish. No plastic on the phone either. We just have the white piece of paper here on the screen that tells you where the buttons are, your volume up and down, stuff like that. But there is that. And then in here, you get your Apple sticker, SIM removal tool, and that kind of stuff. And last but not least, we have your Lightning to USB-C cable, and that is all that is in the box. So that's just going to be the quick unboxing. Like I said, I'm going to leave this on because I'm going to put a screen protector on it, so I don't want to get it all dusty and fingerprinted up before I do that. But that is the iPhone 12 right there, and do look forward to some videos. I do have some cases and stuff like that I will be showing you guys, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of those. I'll be doing some more videos on the phone itself, as well as, like I said, the cases and accessories. This has been Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.